This makeup look to me is how shego would look if shego was like black girl magic. You know, like if shego was like full on black girl magic, I'm finna beat my face. Because shego's face was beat. Shego just wasn't black. This is like me being the ultimate, you know, black girl magic shego. Shego, this one is for you, homegirl. I relate to Shego because she had an attitude problem. I got an attitude problem. Nobody's gonna check Shego. Nobody's gonna check me. Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Hey boo, nice to see you again. Today I am gonna be dripping slime on these. Let me pull myself together. I'm such a bird. Today I'm gonna be doing this super cute green look, and y'all ain't got the slime like me. So if you want to figure out how to get it, then you in the right place. I know how wrinkled my backdrop is, so do me a favor and don't remind me. I tried to iron it out, but I need to go to Walmart and buy new fabric to put on my backdrop stand because I don't know. I thought the white was gonna be like a cute little look, but it's so wrinkled, so I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna start with eyeshadow first, not brows, not skin, eyeshadow. I'm gonna do eyeshadow first because I just feel like it'll look better if I could just focus just on eyeshadow at first. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. I almost said Warm Honey, but Warm Honey is the shade that's a little bit too light for me in the summer. I've been seeing lots of like green looks lately, and my concealer won't push out. Does anybody else have the Pro Conceal and they hate it when this happens? See, look, I'm literally biting it and the concealer just won't come out. I hate when it does that. And look at how much concealer is left in here. You got me messed up. You think you're gonna take my money like all that, and I'm just trying to prime. I'm not even concealing anything yet. Oh my god. I'm gonna prime real good because I really want good color payoff today. I really feel like priming only is good for eyeshadow, or only works for eyeshadow. Priming on my skin not only breaks me out, but I feel like primers don't do anything. Primers are a myth. It's a conspiracy theory. So I'm setting my prime with the LA Girl Pro Powder. LA Girl, I know you're never gonna see this. Nobody from LA Girl like that's important is gonna see this ever. But please do something about the fact that if I lose my cap, I can't access my concealer anymore. I know I should just keep better hold of my things, but let's be honest, that's not gonna happen. Please help me. All right, taking my baby, my favorite ASMR. I'm taking my favorite eyeshadow palette ever, the 35B by Morphe, and I'm gonna start building up my crease. So for my crease, I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow, just a little bit of yellow, and I'm gonna build up this darker green in my crease as well. So yellow first, then the darker green. I said this on camera before, but it was a few videos ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and restate this. I do not mix colors. I pick up one color at a time. Like I'll pick up the yellow, apply it, then I'll pick up the green and apply it. I hate mixing colors on my brush. I feel like it's like when you're in preschool and that one person that takes the white crayon and runs it through all the other colors and ruins it for everybody else. It's like, why would you mix them, idiot? So I really like the way this looks right now. I'm gonna keep building up the green because I want the green to be pretty pigmented in the crease. Now that we have like that base, like a darker green, I think I'm gonna move in a little bit to the lighter green. And I know that if you go from a lighter color to a darker color, that makes sense. When you try to add a lighter color into a darker color, things could get bad. So this is kind of experimental, but I think it'll work. All right, I really like the crease right now. I'm digging it. Now I'm going to cut the crease. This look is going to be a half cut crease. I'm not sure if I want to do like a harsh cut crease or like kind of a soft like 90s cut crease yet. We'll see where the look takes us. So yeah, I'm going to cut the crease with the same LA Girl Pro Conceal. I love to use this concealer for cut creases. Now I gotta wait for it to dry. And so I'm just gonna keep my eyes closed and mind my business. I'm taking the same two dark greens and the same like lighter green on the outer crease. I'm gonna set the cut crease area with this cute little shade right here. All right, I'm absolutely in love with this, and I think I'm gonna do like something on the lower lash line too, which I usually never do unless I'm really feeling it. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, put lashes on, and then I'll be back to finish everything out. Sorry if a vacuum noise in the background is bothering you. It's bothering me too. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Laco liner and brow cream. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Brow Kit, and I'm only using the wax in here to make my brows look, I don't even know how to put it, like, it just makes the hair look so, like, natural and feathery. There's the word, like, really cute, feathery, natural, you know, all those good adjectives. And as I am looking at my skin so close in this mirror, wow, I need to do a face mask immediately. Ew. My skin literally never looks like this. Oh my god. I love when doing a makeup tutorial just turns into like me harboring all my insecurities on camera. Love that. Now, of course, to sharpen everything, I'm gonna go under the brows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use this concealer to death. I know. I use it for everything. This concealer is just good for the mind, body, and soul. All right, now for foundation. You already know I'm taking my Lani Conceal and Perfect. This foundation is the only foundation I care about. I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and like I said, I use this foundation for everything. So what I'm gonna do with it, I'm gonna conceal. I'm contouring with the Anastasia, ASMR? I'm contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Deep.
Space Mountain. It was immediately clear that this was much different than anyone that
I would have never expected me to say something like this, especially not on camera, and honestly I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. I don't think I'm gonna do blush with this look. I don't want anything to throw off this cute green that we got going and the more green that I'm gonna build on the lower lash line.
Came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I